Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Monopoly Go keeps crashing problem. If you try to open Monopoly Go and it just does not open up, the first thing you need to do is check your internet. If your internet is slow as well, it causes the problem. But let's say your internet is not slow and you're still facing the problem. In that case, you want to search if there is any update available for Monopoly Go. Go to your app store and search for Monopoly Go. Once you search for Monopoly Go, if it shows you open, that means it's up to date. But if it shows you update instead of open, you need to click on update your Monopoly Go, your problem should be fixed. And even after doing this, if your problem is still not fixed, then some kind of bug or issue might be causing the problem. In that case, just delete your Monopoly app and re-download it again. Once you do that, the bug will be deleted, and when you re-download Monopoly Go, the new fresh version will be downloaded and you should be able to fix a problem by doing that. So these are the way on how we guys can fix our Monopoly Go keeps crashing problem or not loading issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for more Monopoly Go related videos just like this in the future. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.